Yo, I made this beat for my nigga Manny, but I'ma try to rap to it. But this is his, so all the rights to this will go to him if he ever gets anywhere with this motherfucking beat. But I made it, and here comes the bass. Bass, here comes the bass. Bass, bass, here comes the bass. Bass, 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 here comes the bass. Bass, bass, here comes the bass. Yo, every time I grab this mic, I start to freak out like White Mike. That's Michael Jackson. If you didn't understand the metaphor, perhaps you should just walk out the back door. I don't want no motherfucking person who can never realize that I spit lyrical melodies and flows are hidden inside the rhymes. So like locks in a dungeon, find a treasure. It doesn't even matter, motherfucker. I'm the best you've ever heard before. I just said ever twice. Why? Cause I rolled the dice. A life got snake eyes. Yes, why did that make any sense, son? It's a bet, son. Yeah, got 20 racks in my punk. What the fuck was that, punk? Shut the fuck up. I don't know what happened to my fucking mic. It skipped once. No, nigga, it skipped twice. But I'm a kid. You see, this motherfucker mic I'm working with is like a little piece of shit. Like a fucking tug with a little fucking speaker around the end. Can you hear me? I don't think I'm talking very clearly. But you'll see that when this rap gets on the fucking, what is that, YouTube? Motherfucker, I might get a lot of hits. Cause I'm a fucking white nerd ass looking little bitch. Yeah, I just called myself a bitch. But it's alright cause yo mama rides my dick. Yes she does, and she loves it when I put it in her butt. She screams for more, she wants it. Ah, motherfucker, yes I'm talking about your mother too. And every motherfucking mother out there, I'll fuck them too. What is that, motherfucker? Not even a metaphor. But I go to war in my songs. You don't understand what the fuck is wrong. I like to watch your fucking grandmother wearing a thong. Was that wrong? But I thought it was funny. When she walks down the fucking stairs, she shakes like jello and honey mixed together. Yes, it's a great combination. And I got the lock, so it's time for invasion. Yeah, that shit was so fucking crazy. Yeah, I got so much money. Yeah, cause I'm a nigga, bitch. It's funny. Yeah, yeah. Now the flow is going all together, and it's sounding pretty sweet, but it could sound better. But I don't give a shit cause I didn't make this beat. I just like to sit down and tweak to hearing my speakers crack and cribble under the fucking jiggle of the bass. When it drops, the whole house starts to wiggle. Yes, what the fuck was that? I don't really know. Yo, it's my flow though, it's my fucking song. Cause I can do what I want. I made this fucking song so I can do what I want. And it's my fucking song so I can do what I want. I made this fucking song so I can do what I want. If that means getting in the studio just wearing nothing but a thong. What's up, y'all? I'm gonna do what I want though. Yeah. Cause I'm a motherfucking millionaire, a trillionaire, a billionaire. Yeah, my money went down. 2 records dropped last month with the frown on my record motherfucker's face. So I sprayed that fucking bitch with mace. Who the fuck you think you is when you talking to me? Thinking like you own me? I ain't no fucking property. Nigga, I do my shit. Nigga, I sound the best. Nigga, you got a bulletproof vest, but I won't shoot your chest. I'll shoot you in the head to make sure that you're dead. Fuck with me, you fucking end up dead. Yeah, nigga. Fucking with me, you end up dead. West Miller Weezy's, nigga!